Welcome to MathCast April 2021. The intended audience is for 4th grade students. The learning objective is to recognize lines of symmetry for given two-dimensional figures, identify lines of symmetric figures, and draw lines of symmetry. So what are symmetrical figures and lines of symmetry? Here we have 4 different figures. Let's begin with a heart. The figure of a heart can be folded perfectly in half, and one half can completely cover the other half. We'll call this the first half and this the second half. When we can fold an image along a line and both halves match exactly, this line is called the line of symmetry. Our smiley face also has one line of symmetry. The green trapezoid has one line of symmetry. And our butterfly has one line of symmetry. Let's work together and circle the figures that have the correct line of symmetry drawn. For our first figure, the line of symmetry is drawn in black. Does this side match this side? Yes. So that has a correct line of symmetry. That is a symmetrical figure. For our next figure, again, the line of symmetry is drawn in black. Does this half match perfectly with this half? Yes. So that's also a symmetrical figure and a correct line of symmetry. For our next figure, does this piece match this piece? No, this piece is a little bit larger, so this does not have a correct line of symmetry. And lastly, does this half match this half? Yes, so that is also a symmetrical figure and a correct line of symmetry. Some figures have more than one line of symmetry. This star has 5 lines of symmetry. There are 1, there is 2, 3, 4, and 5 lines of symmetry. The letter H has 1, 2 lines of symmetry. Some figures have no lines of symmetry. They are not symmetrical figures. You can see here that the car, the arrow, and the hand cannot be divided at all to where one side is completely the same as the other side. They have no lines of symmetry. Let's work together and draw as many lines of symmetry as we can find in the figure below. So let's begin by starting from the top. If we draw a line, is one half completely the same as the other half? Yes. There's one line of symmetry. Now, if we draw another one, horizontal, is the top half the same as the bottom half? Yes. There's another line of symmetry. What about if we try diagonals? If we draw a line of symmetry here, are both halves the same? Yes. We can also draw another diagonal this way. So how many lines of symmetry does this figure have? It has 1, 2, 3, 4. This figure is incomplete. The dashed line is the line of symmetry. We need to complete the mirror image of the figure that is already drawn. Let's use the grid to figure it out. We can see that it's 1, 2, 3, 4 squares high, so we need to double that. 4 times 2 is 8 and make it 8 units high. So we need to add 4 more squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on the other side, it is also 4 units high, so we need to double that and add 4 units to the bottom to make it 8 units high. This figure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units wide, so all we have to do is connect the two vertical lines to complete the figure. Here is another figure that is incomplete, and the dashed line again is the line of symmetry. To complete the figure, we need to make a mirror image of the figure that is already drawn. We can use the grid to help us. We can see here that the length of the top portion is 1, 2. So we need to double this 2 times 2 to make it 4 units wide. 1, 2. For the base of our figure, we can see here that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units wide, so we need to double that to complete the figure. 5 times 2 is 10, so let's add 5 more. To create our third line segment, all we need to do is connect the horizontal lines. Now our figure is complete. Let's try one more. Let's use the line of symmetry, represented by the dashed line, to complete the figure. We can see here that the first vertex is 1, 2, 3 squares from the line of symmetry. We need to double this, 3 times 2 is 6, to complete the figure. So we need to go 1, 2, 3. Using this vertex, we can see also that it's 3 units wide. So we need to double this to make it 6 units wide. So 1, 2, 3 makes 6 in total units wide. Now let's use a straight edge to complete our line segments. We will draw a line from the line of symmetry to the first dot. Then we will draw another line from the line of symmetry to our second dot. Then we will connect our dots to complete our figure. Thanks for watching.